Hey everybody, this is Chris with Overclockers Club. I reviewed this DarkBlader-G case from Cougar, and somebody made a comment in there the way I was showing the I/O panel. And I really just want to clarify, the way I showed it I don't think was really the best way. So what I had done, there's about a ½ inch offset here, and some cases do have their I/O section inset a little bit, which is not unusual, but Cougar does it a little differently here, and I didn't really understand it at first, and I didn't realize it until a viewer left a comment, and the more I thought about it, the more I realized I really didn't show it the right way. So what I did originally is I popped this I/O panel for my motherboard in there like that. And most cases have the I/O panel here, this little removable panel, flush with the back of the case. But like I said, not all cases do that. Some of them have them set back. And with a modern motherboard, a lot of them have the I/O panel on the back that will have a large heat sink. If I can get that in view there. A large heat sink here around this entire section. So you don't need one of these panels here. A lot of them don't even come with those anymore. They don't need them. Some do, some don't. So anyway, when the motherboard is installed properly, which I will show here, you actually can use this I/O panel. I just didn't really have it in there the right way because it fits a little differently in this case than it does in a regular case where that cutout is more rectangular. See, this doesn't really have a pocket to fit in. It can slide up and down. It's not really a big deal. It's just the way I had it in there. Now let me get the motherboard installed. And what I mean by integrated I/O panel, a lot of newer motherboards are coming with this entire piece here integrated. So you have a lot of times a heat sink that is made to this piece that does not come off. It's not separate. So older motherboards all came with a panel like this separately. Not all motherboards are that way now, but a lot of them are coming configured like this. This is what I mean by integrated I/O panel. And this is what it should look like. Let me get the camera here. So a little hard to see there, but there's the I/O panel. It's installed properly. And again, a newer motherboard that uses the integrated I/O panel will look more like that. So apologize for any confusion, but I did want to clarify that and get that straightened out. Thanks to the viewer who pointed that out. And again, this is Chris with Overclockers Club. Thanks for watching. This is the Cougar DarkBlader-G case, and I'll go ahead and link to that so you can see the original video if you haven't.